Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can connect your Facebook to your Gmail account. So it is going to be a simple and step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end and do not miss any steps. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on the triple line icon on the top right. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down until you see settings and privacy and click on it. Now finally click on settings, and over here scroll down until you see personal information. So once you have done that, simply click on contact info, and then over here, as you can see, you can add a email address. Simply go ahead and enter one. Finally, once you have entered a email, go ahead and click on add email. And apparently I already have an existing account with that email, but basically that's how you do it. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.